Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna show you all my cubes, the big ones, and my friendly farm animals, which are these colours. And this is orange and black. This colour used to be my stepbrother Daniel Philip Frank Higgs' bedroom at my house. This could be Daniel Philip Frank Higgs' favourite colour, black and orange, on the wall, like this. You can see all the different shapes of the big colour cubes. Yes. You can see all the different farm animals. Here's a tub saying friendly farm animals. So you can make anything out of these cubes, the colourful ones. So, all these animals here, they are all colourful, which you can see. Drop a like, enjoy. You know, if you do like animals, let me know your favourite one in the world. Blue and green, they're the two colours. Red and yellow, Arsenal the Gunners colours. Blue and purple, this is a goal, can you see? Pink, that is my favourite colour. See you soon everybody.